how to download Python in your PC or the laptop. For this, what you have to do, you have to just search on the Google that Python download. When we are clicking on this, the first link will be available, that download Python. Then after, you have to just click on this, and if you want to do, just click on this download this, and another option is go to the download menu and click on the Windows. So there are so many options are available for this. And this Python, there are so many versions are available. Suppose if you want for this Windows XP, if you want for Windows 7, so it depends on your version is also available. That means this 32-bit and 64-bit. If you want for this 32-bit, the Windows installer file will be available. You have to just click on this. And if you want for 64-bit, the Windows installer file will be available. You can also select this Windows installer file. And if you want for the Windows XP or the earlier, you can also install this executable installer for this x86 executable installer, and for 64 x86 64 executable installer for the 64-bit. And then after, we can just start downloading this Python in download option and click on the Mac OS. When we are clicking on the Mac OS, there are so many options are available. You can choose any one of them. That means you can select any version and you can easily download this into your PC. Or now the next is how to install this into your PC. So first of all, what you have to do, just open your downloaded file. That means just double click on that, and just when you are double clicking, there are so many steps are available. Click on the next button and you can install it into your PC. And after installation, how you have to open, so I will suggest you that you have to just click on the start button, and then after there is one option will be, that means IDLE option will be available. So you can just click on this IDLE option. So you can open it in this Python mode, and you can just start typing your commands or your script in the Python in easy way.